In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from a Google Meet session. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're managing a large virtual event or simply need control over your smaller meetings. Removing someone from a Google Meet can be necessary for a variety of reasons, from handling disruptive behavior to ensuring the privacy and security of your meeting. Let's walk step by step through the process to ensure you can do this seamlessly. First, you'll want to access Google Meet. Assuming you're already there or about to start, let's proceed to the Google Meet interface. Once you're in a meeting, the key focus here begins with the navigation. Look towards the top right corner of your screen for the people icon, which looks like a small silhouette or a group of overlapping circles. Clicking this icon will give you a display of everyone currently in the meeting. Now direct your attention to the bottom right of this panel where you'll find the option labeled Show Everyone. Clicking this will expand the list of participants, making it easier to see who is present at your meeting. When you identify the person you wish to remove, you'll see three vertical dots next to their name. This is the More Actions menu, and it includes several options for managing participant interactions. By clicking it, you'll access a menu where one of the highlighted options is to remove the participant. Now simply select Remove from the call. Once clicked, you'll be presented with further choices. You can choose to remove the person outright, or you might consider blocking them from rejoining the meeting. This latter step is especially important if you are dealing with persistent disruptions, or if privacy is a serious concern in your session. It's important to note who exactly has the power to remove someone from a meeting. If host management is activated, only the meeting host or co-host has the authority to remove someone. However, if host management is disabled, any member from the meeting organizer's domain can do so. This setup helps maintain order and ensures only authorized individuals make these decisions. In meetings organized via a personal Google account, the event moderator is exclusively given the ability to remotely manage participant attendance, including removals. Whether it's about maintaining a streamlined workflow, respecting privacy, or controlling access, knowing how to effectively manage your Google Meet session is essential. With these steps, you're now well equipped to navigate the process with ease. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips.